Oh my gosh! So much stupid shit that's put on Facebook.
He doesn't care, see?
Okay.
See?
Why is it like wrapped 100,000
I
times?
don't know. I have no idea. So, can we get
Is your backyard big or no?
Yeah, you can go out there if you want.
Can we walk in there or like
In the backyard?
Yeah.
Can't really walk in, like, legitimately walk in.
Okay.
You can go outside.
Up.
Trust me.
Oh, he got up, nigga. Oh.
No, come on, walk.
Okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm walking the dog!
Walk towards the stairs.
No, I hate that part. Remember I told you.
Oh, that's right, okay. I'll walk him down the stairs, but from there, you're gonna walk him, okay?
I'm scared. You guys are like, walk. Oh, where does not? Come on. Hey, what's wrong with that? He's like,
Yeah, that's how he gets down.
okay, go outside. I'll meet him outside.
No, you have to walk him. Come on.
I'll meet him
No,
outside.
you're gonna walk him outside. That's part of it.
Let's go.
You're doing well. You're doing very well.
Oh my gosh. Am I really walking? Can I make him eat?
He probably doesn't want to eat, but...
You want to eat?